अधिकार नहीं मिला था। आप अपने को सोच रहे हैं मैं ये एक मंदिर हूँ, ये गलत। आप रूप मंजरी कैसे सेवा कर रही है उसको चिंतन कर सकते हैं, जैसे रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी कह रहे हैं।
You can think how to serve Rupa Manjari, for example. 92. So he's praying. How Rupa Manjari is massaging the feet of Rupa Manjari. Yes. Yeah. So you're not saying who is actually saying this verse. No, who is actually massaging Rupa Manjari. So you're praying to Rupa Manjari. Raghunath Das Goswami is praying. When will I be able to attend this service? So your mood will be, oh, I also want, under the guidance of Rupa Manjari, serve the feet of Srimati Radhika. So you're praying for the service. You're praying for the service. But I have so much lust and anger. Can I think about that? But by thinking about these things, one day lust and anger will go away. Whatever you heard from your guru in these verses, you can meditate in the meeting. That's why you have to meditate in these things so that your lust and anger can go away. You have to hear with faith. Then after that, you describe that. This Rasa Lila Katha. So if you haven't heard, how can you describe it? It's never prohibited to listen to this Katha. It's not prohibited. Shraddha with a lot of faith. Shraddha. Shraddha here, it means Atyantika Shraddha. Unflinching faith. Faith in whom? In Guru first. So the more the faith in Guru will grow, this faith will go to Krishna and Srimati Radhika. Understand? This is what people don't understand. Why I speak so much about Guru? Because Guru is giving the sambandha, the relationship. Isn't it? The more you speak like about things here and there, last everyone must come to Guru. Like all the Harikathas and everything, but in the end you have to surrender to Guru because only Guru will take you. You can say anything. The Guru will hold your hands and he will give you the service. So Narottam Das Thakur says. Narottam Das Thakur himself, he said, when my Gurudev Lokanatha Das Goswami, Manjulali, when you hold me by my hand and take me away to Rup Manjari. Understand? Why? Because Guru is giving you sambandha pradata. So should always give the intense in the Guru. Yes, Vaishnavas are with us. All the Vaishnavas are with us. You know, the 6 Goswamis, all the Vaishnavas. What will they do? They will help us. They may help us. So what is their duty? To make us have more nishtha in our Guru. So that's why it's described that Shiksha Guru that doesn't make you have more nishtha in your own Guru, he's not qualified to become a Shiksha Guru. You should understand very well. What is the duty of Shiksha Guru? Make you have more faith in your own Diksha Guru. Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, when he went to the foreign countries, every day he used to say, he used to say to the devotees, your guru is Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj.
लोग इधर उधर भटक रहे हैं।
Don't run here and there, because
अपने गुरु के पहचान नहीं
you cannot recognize who your guru really is.
आश्रम तो इसलिए गुरुदेव
That's why
यही तो बात बता रहे
Gurudeva used to say this all the time.
हैं। तुम लोग सोचते हो कि हमारे गुरु उत्तम अधिकारी नहीं
Oh,
है,
you're thinking that your guru is not Uttamadhikari or not in Madhurya Rasa or whatever.
किंतु ऐसे नहीं
But it's not like that. No.
श्रील गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी
Srila Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
और इसमें देखा मैंने
I've seen it.
पहले साईं महाराज
In every program, in the first days, he used to describe the glories of Swami Maharaj. In the beginning, always. Because mostly the devotees, they had derailed, like, of bhakti path. They had given up their guru and they were in sahaja, like they became different path. Some people gave up everything. Can you come a little bit faster? I can see Gurudeva.
Sorry?
A little bit. I can see Gurudeva. Yes, I
तो
can.
चोटी काट दिया और जो
So some people they cut their choti, some people they cut the sacred thread. They thought that everything is like fake, like bogus philosophy. And Gurudeva caught them and said, "They hear the glories of your own guru first."
श्रील गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज
Srila Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, one speciality of Gurudeva. In other acharyas, we don't see this as much because everyone is pulling to their own selves, generally, other acharyas, pulling to their own side, you know. But Srila Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he caught everyone and he told them the glories of, they made them have more nishta in Srila Swami Maharaj himself.
ISKCON इतने प्रतिकूलता
ISKCON,
होने पर
even though ISKCON was so against Gurudeva,
प्रतिकूलता में
you know, unfavorable, still, Srila Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj
श्रील साईं महाराज की गुरु
was always telling the glories of Srila Swami Maharaj.
और यह तो उन्होंने यही तो बताया जी ये
And
मेरा
he said, he is my Shiksha Guru and Priya Bandhu,
और
my
शिक्षा गुरु भी
instructing spiritual master and my dear friend.
ऐसे आचार्य
Best friend.
की जो महिमा न भूतो न भविष्य
So no one has the glories like our Gurudeva.
खोल के बता
I tell you honestly, all the other preachers, all the other acharyas that came to preach in the Western countries, none of them
महाराज के जितने
did as like Srila Gurudeva. Gurudeva, no one has glorified Srila Swami Maharaj as much as has Gurudeva.
इतने ग्लोरी
He glorified so much. I've seen directly. You also know. You also know. At least,
दिन के प्रोग्राम होता
if it was like 5 days program, I've seen, at least for 3 days, Gurudeva
साईं महाराज की बारी
used to only speak about Swami Maharaj.
आप लोग देखे होंगे
You have seen also probably,
साईं महाराज के ग्लोरिफिकेशन करते
telling the glories of Srila Swami Maharaj.
हैं। और उनकी कथा को जो है वो चैतन्य चरितामृत से
And also quoting his katha from Chaitanya Charitamrita, for example, from Upadeshamrit, quoting Bhagavatam,
क्या लिखा
and saying, what did you Gurudeva write here? You're thinking your Gurudeva
है उत्तम अधिकारी नहीं है
is not an Uttam Adhikari, or some people think, oh, maybe my Gurudeva is in Sakyaras,
इसलिए उधर घूम रहे
so that's why you're going here and there.
गुरुदेव एक एक बता
Gurudeva told, like quoting one by one, like books, and showing, looks, what is the rasa of Swami Maharaj. Gurudeva never pulled anyone to himself.
गुरु के प्रति
He made actually the devotees have more
अनुराग
anuraga for their own guru, deep attachment for their own guru.
वही तो बता रहे
That's what I'm talking about.
निष्ठा जो है गुरुदेव तो नहीं हो तो तुम्हारे कहाँ जाएगी वैष्णव में तो आज एक काल में नहीं रह सकता है
Maybe a Vaishnava will be here today, not tomorrow. So you have to have in your own guru, you know. I tell you honestly, maybe the Vaishnavas will remain, maybe not.
है? किंतु गुरु में यदि निष्ठा हो
But if you have nishtha in your guru, that's unbreakable.
है हाँ
This is unbreakable.
गुरु के प्रति हमारी श्रद्धा
We must have faith in your guru.
है इसलिए गुरुदेव जितने भी पद कहते हैं गुरु निष्ठा
That's why Gurudeva spoke so much about Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti. Devotion to Guru and loyalty to Guru is the backbone of your spiritual life. That's true or not?
वही तो बताते जाए
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
सीधी बात मैं बता
I tell you honestly, I tell you the truth.
आप निष्ठा है
Okay, have nishtha in me.
किंतु एक दिन नष्ट हो सकता
But one day that can be destroyed.
है यदि एक बार
But to have one time this in Guru,
नष्ट
this can never be destroyed.
है ठीक है इसलिए गुरु के प्रति हमारे कैसे निष्ठा हम ये नहीं
How to have nishtha in the Guru. I'm not saying for you to dishonor the Vaishnavas. No.
वैष्णव के अनादर को ये हम नहीं बोलते।
I'm not saying for you to dishonor the Vaishnavas. You should honor the Vaishnavas, yes.
सती साध्वी नारी जैसी अपने
But just like a chaste woman, she has nishta, loyalty to her own husband. So it should be like that with your guru.
जैसे सती साध्वी नारी
Example, a chaste woman,
अपने देवर के लिए
she honors her brother-in-law, you know,
अपने सास ससुर की भी
her mother-in-law, father-in-law, she will honor everyone, yes.
सम्मान आदि करते
You have to respect and honor. But her nishta, her loyalty, fidelity, like his husband, if she doesn't have this loyalty to her
और
husband
दूसरी तरफ चले जाए उसका अब क्या करें?
and she's going to others, imagine the situation.
क्योंकि असती नारी
She's called unchaste,
है कि नहीं?
isn't it?
जो नारी पति के
That woman who
निष्ठा नहीं रखती
doesn't have this nishta loyalty to her husband is called
असती नारी
asati nari, means unchaste woman.
असती समझ
Do you understand? Asati?
निष्ठा रखती
You must have nishta to your husband. I'm not saying
वैष्णव को अनादर करो
dishonor the Vaishnavas. No, you have to honor, respect the Vaishnavas.
निष्ठा रखो
But you have to have your nishta, loyalty to your guru. You have to be one pointed to guru.
हैं? आज
Do you understand?
गुरु हमारे क्या होता है
The guru,
केंद्र बिंदु
we should be one pointed to guru.
सेंटर
Gurudev is like a center point.
सर्कल करने के लिए
Just like a circle has like a point in the middle,
जैसे कंपास के
just like with the compass, you can make a circle with a point in the middle, and then you go like this around like a sphere. So
केंद्र
we must be one pointed to guru like this. The guru should be the center.
गुरु के बुद्धि नहीं रहे तो कुछ नहीं
If you're not like that to guru, then nothing. Do you understand? So those who give up guru and worship Krishna, they go to hell.
हम नहीं करें
I'm not saying this.
शास्त्र में लिख
It's said in the scriptures.
के छोड़ करके जो
If you give up guru, and even if you worship Govinda, you have to go to hell.
गुरु के छोड़ करके
If you give up guru and go here and there,
तो आपके फल नहीं
you'll never get a fruit. Get fruits.
हमें कुछ भी कर
You can try to do anything.
इसलिए हमें गुरु के प्रति
So we must have nishtha, loyalty to Gurudev.
लोक में फिर कैसे गुरु निष्ठा रख के फिर उसके बाद कथा संगीत श्रवण
शुद्ध करो कोई मांग
Yes, you heard Katha.
वैष्णव से कथा सुनो
From Vaishnavas also no problem.
आदर करो वैष्णव के सेवा
With respect, yes, serve them also. Okay. I'm saying, yes.
किंतु हमारे
Serve the Vaishnavas.
केंद्र बंधु
But you should be one pointed to Guru. Your focus should be in the Guru, in your Guru.
इसे करे कबे लोको ना तो मरे
This song explains, Kabe Lokanatama,
के बाद पद में मोरे समाधि
my Guru will
ज्ञानों की
take me to Rupa Manjari.
सखी गाने अनुगत अनर्थ कवि कोई के शासन है नर्तन
Narottam Das Thakur is saying in this song,
ये मेरे गुरुदेव
my Gurudeva, Lokanatha Das Goswami, when will he catch me by my hand, hold me by my hand, and take me to the feet of Rupa Manjari? And then the Rupa Manjari will engage me in the service of Srimati Radhika.
यही तो है
Yeah, that's it.
रघुनाथ दास जी भी देखो सारे
You can see.
के भी कार्य
Raghunatha Das Goswami,
किसको वंदना करे
he's always praising to whom?
नाम सिस्टम मनोपी सुजुक्त
Like,
रूप अनंत सब
he praised many other people in other verses, but in this one, Namashishtam, what did he say?
प्राप्त जस्य प्रतीत कृपा श्री गुरु परम तोषी ये रघुनाथ
This verse is of Raghunatha Das Goswami. He's actually giving all the glories to his Guru Jadunandanacharya, because by his mercy, I got the holy names, I got Harinam because of his diction.
तो क्या आप समझे
So if you read the meaning of this verse, Namashishtam Manomapi Shachiputram,
वही गुरुदेव की कृपा से
by the mercy of Gurudeva,
कृष्ण की प्राप्ति की
I was able to attain Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, all of their association. Swarupadamoda Ramananda. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying
वैष्णव के अनादर
dishonor the Vaishnavas.
आदर करो
Yes, one of the Vaishnavas, yes.
उनके साथ हमारे केंद्र बंधु
But you should be one pointed to your Gurudev, your focus.
यही गुरु के चरण में हम अपराध
You should never commit any offense to the feet of your Guru,
ना हो
and also never dishonor the Guru.
स्नान ना हो जाए वो हमें
You should always be careful with that. Do you understand?
यही तो वैशिष्ट है वो दीक्षा गुरु और शिक्षा गुरु ठीक है
Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, okay. We should honor everyone.
वो हमारा ये intense
You must have your intense with your Diksha Guru. Should never derails from your focus.
है। यही तो। तो जिसको तिसको शिक्षा गुरु मानने से थोड़ी हो जाए
It's
उसको
not
देखना
like
पड़ेगा।
you cannot accept anyone as a Shiksha Guru. You have to see that Shiksha Guru is
हमें अनुराग
making me have more anuraga attachment for my own Guru or not.
आज समझ
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है
ये
Do you understand?
हमारे गुरुदेव को अगर वो आदर नहीं करते
If that person is not honoring my own Guru, so
के साथ हमारी क्या समझ
what should I have any relationship with that person? No benefit if that person doesn't honor your own
वो
Guru.
हजार कुछ कथा भी बोल
You can even, the person maybe he speaks a lot of Harikatha, there's no benefit in that.
हमारे गुरुदेव के प्रति वो कितने
You have to see how much
आदर है।
respect that person who is giving Harikatha has for your own Gurudeva. You have to understand, to see, to analyze.
आज समझ।
Do you understand?
और कुछ नहीं है
Nothing else.
यदि हमारे गुरुदेव के प्रति वो
If that person respects our Gurudeva and has relationship with love and affection, then we also have relationship with that Vaishnava. Do you understand?
ये
That's the, you know,
हम लोग
you should follow like that. I tell you about my own life.
चलो हरिनाम तो माधव ये
I took Harinam from
राम गोस्वामी हरिनाम कहता
I took Harinam from Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj.
दीक्षा लिया
I took Diksha from Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. So who is my Diksha Guru? Vamana Goswami Maharaj.
हमें गुरुदेव ने स्वयं का दी
But Gurudeva himself told,
ये देखो हमारे सेवा करना अपेक्षा नारायण की सेवा करने की तुम्हारी सब कुछ प्राप्ति
if you serve Srila Narayan Maharaj, you get all the benefits, he told us.
है
More than if you serve me. I asked him directly,
गुरुदेव आपके साथ रहना चाहिए
Gurudev, I want to stay with you. He said, no, you should stay with Srila Narayan Maharaj.
हमारे साथ नारायण के साथ कभी
You should never see any difference between me and Srila Narayan Maharaj.
सेवा करने ही
By serving Srila Narayan Maharaj is you're serving me, said Srila Vamana Maharaj.
बावन गोस्वामी के डायरेक्ट आदेश
So this is a direct instruction of Srila Vamana Maharaj, my Gurudev, to me.
आज समझते
Do you understand? So,
हमारे गुरुदेव बावन गोस्वामी के डायरेक्ट आदेश
Vamana Goswami Maharaj, my Gurudev, directly instructed me.
हम लोग भी देखा
And we also sing, we saw it,
बावन गोस्वामी नारायण गोस्वामी के जितने
that
सम्मान करते थे
Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to honor so much Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj.
क्या बने
What can I think, or maybe the other way around. What can I tell you about this? Like Srila Narayana to
उसी पर
Srila Vamana Maharaj. I'm not sure what he said. So,
सम्मान आदर उसी पर
yeah, probably Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj honoring Srila Vamana Maharaj.
आप समझो बावन
Yeah.
गोस्वामी महाराज की जो
And Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj was always doing glorification of Srila Vamana Maharaj.
तुम लोग
He used to say like this to us, you don't know anything about your Gurudev. He used to tell us,
कुछ उद्दंड बालक जो है
some naughty boys, I've seen that time,
सोचते हैं कि नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के क्यों हम इतने सम्मान दें
they used to say, why we have to honor so much Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj?
गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज कहते हैं, तुम लोग
Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj said,
क्या जाना
what do you know about your own Guru?
7 साल तक तुम्हारे
For 60 years I stayed with your Guru.
गुरु के जो भावना
The bhav of your Guru, the mood of your Guru, I know much more than you, all of you.
2 दिन के बाद
You just came 2 days ago.
क्या जाना
What do you know? Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to tell this to some disciples of Srila Vamana Maharaj, some naughty boys. So Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to glorify so much Srila Vamana Maharaj, especially in the appearance day of Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to speak so much about him, like unparalleled, like speaking so much.
उस समय तो श्री नारायण गोस्वामी
At that time, Srila Narayan Maharaj didn't make disciples, didn't make his own disciples. Do you understand?
देव ने शिष्य
Gurudeva, when did he start making disciples? From 96, Gurudeva started making disciples.
नहीं करते
Before that, he wouldn't do it. According to the rules of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti,
किंतु उन्होंने इतने बावन गोस्वामी महाराज की ग्लोरिफिकेशन
but he used to glorify so much Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, like almost like crying, you know, tears. All the time, Gurudeva used to do like that.
तो शिक्षा गुरु की यही तात्पर्य है
So Shiksha Guru meaning is what?
के प्रति
That person who will
अनुराग
make you have more anurag attachment for your own Diksha Guru.
यही तो है। तो अब उसके शिक्षा गुरु का
Then he is known as Shiksha Guru. He is accepted as Shiksha Guru.
आप शिक्षा गुरु उसको ही मानोगे
You accept one person as Shiksha
आप
Guru,
देखोगे वो हमारे
that person, you have to see how much
मेरा अनुराग बढ़ाते हैं
that person is increasing the attachment I have in my own Diksha Guru.
कितना ग्लोरिफिकेशन करते
How much this Shiksha Guru is glorifying my Diksha Guru, you have to analyze.
समझ में आ रही कि
Do you understand or not?
उसके आपको देखना
You have to see.
है। यही तो वैशिष्ट है।
That's the speciality.
नहीं तो जिसको देखिए थोड़ी शिक्षा गुरु हो
You
जाए।
cannot accept like anyone as your Shiksha Guru.
ये शास्त्रीय शिक्षा भी
You can even learn something from a prostitute.
क्या बोलते हैं? तो तत्त्वों का अरे
Like Dattatreya said,
हाँ
the 24 Shiksha Gurus, you know.
ये सब भौतिक है।
But this is Myunjain point of view.
वास्तव परमार्थिक राज्य में प्रवेश
In this, if you want to enter spiritual life,
यही हमारे
that's necessary, that's important.
उसमें तो श्रीमद् भागवत में 24 गुरु
In the
के
Srimad Bhagavatam, there's the story about, the 24 Shiksha Gurus. Even you learn from the pigeons, female pigeon and male pigeon.
उससे भी शिक्षा ले
You can also learn something from the pigeons,
कुमारी लड़की से भी
or you can learn something from a virgin.
शिक्षा ले ये सब भौतिक शिक्षा
But this is all Myunjain teachings.
है। आप समझ में आए?
Do you understand?
किंतु परमार्थिक जो शिक्षा में
But the spiritual teaching,
डीपली एनालाइज
if you deeply analyze,
उसमें हमें देखना होगा।
you must see
देव के प्रति कितने
how much this Shiksha Guru has anurag attachment for my own Diksha Guru,
मेरा गुरुदेव भी बढ़ा देंगे।
and is he increasing the deep attachment I have for my Gurudev or not?
गुरुदेव का अनुराग कैसे बढ़े?
How is he increasing the attachment I have for my Guru? If he's glorifying your Guru, means he'll increase the attachment you have for your Guru.
उनकी कथा हमें कितने बोलते हैं?
How much he's speaking about my Guru? You have to measure that.
अपना
Measure it.
यही हम
That's it.
तो सब लोग बोले ठीक है।
Otherwise, everyone's speaking, okay?
भी देखा है, कोई हम तो कुछ
Nowadays, you can see.
लोगों के देखा मैं नाम
I've seen. I'm not taking the names, but
गुरुदेव के शान बख्शों को कभी नहीं किया।
the person never associated with Gurudeva. Never,
और
ever.
वो बोले हमारे नाम
Now he's saying, oh, Narayan Maharaj, my Shiksha Guru. Okay, the person is saying, okay, nice.
वो कभी नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज प्रवचन में आया भी नहीं है। मैंने कभी
I've never seen a person coming to Harikatha of Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, never coming in his lecture.
हो सकता है कोई उत्सव में एक बार आ
Maybe in the festival, came once, took prasad and left, like in a party, in a special celebration.
उत्सव होता है
No, when there's
भंडारा होता
a
है
festival of prasadam, then you call all Gaudiya Vaishnavas for
और आते
coming.
हैं कब बिल्कुल जो है एंड में आता है
Then the person comes in the end of the program,
प्रसाद लिया और
took prasadam,
प्रणाम लिया चले गए।
took some donation, left.
आगे बोलते हैं
And now the person dares to say that he is the Shiksha disciple of Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Okay, I do pranams to you.
हैं? ये सब लोगों की क्या अट्रैक्शन कर
People do this to attract other people.
कुछ नहीं है
That's nothing.
हम इतना नहीं करते
I'm not criticizing, but if I'm telling honestly, you have to.
हैं? आप बताओ। फिर से गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज क्या बोलते
What Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj said.
हैं? वेदांत साईं महाराज मेरा शिक्षक
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj is my Shiksha
मैंने
Guru.
इनकी सेवा की
I served him.
हैं? और उनके साथ कैसे रिलेशनशिप
And we had a relationship.
प्रमाण भी है
And there's evidence of that relationship. So many letters they are giving and receiving.
महाराज कितने पत्र पत्र नहीं
Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj wrote so many letters. I saw it. So many letters were there. So many.
इसको उनके कुछ जो है वो संन्यासी
Some people, one sannyasi from ISKCON came and told Gurudeva, give me,
ले गया जिसको कुछ
I'm gonna make a nice archive and take a Xerox or something. Then he took all the letters and destroyed them. A person from ISKCON.
बचा था
So whatever was left
अभी गुरुदेव
is actually that what Gurudeva did the publishing
है
Like-
जंगली है साथ साथ
in Bengali, and the translation is also there in English in that book, Letters from America.
कमरे में देखा
I've seen in the book in the room of Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj before the ISKCON people took, saying that they were gonna do preserve it, and so there were like many letters.
गुरुदेव ने समाधि संग समाधि भी दिया
So Gurudev gave samadhi to Srila Swami Maharaj.
गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी
Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj.
की अपार में नौ भूतों
His glories is unparalleled. No one in the past or in the future is like him. Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj.
और जितने मन के दो बोल रहे
Other people from other temples are saying other things. Okay. I don't hear it, but
पत्र है कि नहीं बार उनके साथ
I don't know if these people have late letters or not with Srila Swami Maharaj. I don't know.
किंतु गुरुदेव के नाम
But I know that Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj had, proof of his relationship with Srila Swami Maharaj.
और वो सब 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 दिखाई तमाम
Was published, the evidence of their relationship.
हंस रहे हैं।
Do you understand?
हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा
You have to see, oh my brother, that person,
कि बुद्धि कितना
how much attachment he has for my Gurudev. So many people speak Harikatha, Gaudiya Vaishnavas who should come to their Harikatha. Some people come into Australia. So first we ask, they're asking us to organize a Harikatha, but they are from other temples. What should we do? People from other temples asking them to do program. So you have to analyze how much attachment that person has for your Guru.
इन्वाइट करने कई बार तो कुछ नहीं देंगे, आएंगे तो कभी 1-2 दिन के लिए प्रोग्राम कर दीजिए।
If the person is here, okay. He's saying, I'm afraid to commit Vaishnava Parad. He's saying, I'm afraid. If the person is coming and directly asking me to do something, if I can come, if I can do. What can I tell you? In Morolamba, this problem also happened. Morolamba. So the person asking me, can you come for the katha or something? So the Guru of ISKCON didn't allow. How to reconcile? If some Vaishnava came, okay. Vaishnava, okay, come. Vaishnava came, okay, come. What is the conception? I'm not telling you to prohibit to hear Harikatha. Sorry. Don't go to any politics. He's gonna.
You have to take in consideration the concept of that sadhu who is coming, the standing of that sadhu, whether he has nishtha towards your Gurudev.
हम लोग अभी अपने श्लोक में श्लोक में तो सुनना हम लोग इतने में वर्णन नहीं करना चाहिए, स्पीक नहीं करना चाहिए। वो गुरुदेव क्या बोलते हैं, रात में पता हो इसे कुछ हो ग्रंथ में हो, हम लोग बोलना भी चाहिए, कभी अभी सुनना चाहिए। हम लोग स्टेज में कभी सुनना चाहिए कि
सुनने के लिए होता है, सुनने के लिए
You are qualified to listen. There's no restriction on listening. Can we recite this shloka to others? Can we, if there's qualified listeners, then you can speak the shloka. There's certain shlokas, they're very high shlokas. Should we share this with others? But you have to speak. If you do not speak Harikatha, where will we go? What would we do? In hearing this katha, we have to analyze. We're not saying you have to go deeper into that subject matter, but generally it is recited in Chaitanya Charitamrita. What is written, you should speak. Speak what is written. No need to elaborate extensively. Otherwise, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur,
ग्रंथ आदि लिखा है,
who has written many books, Nivritta Nikunja and others books,
उसको सब जगह में प्रकाश मत करो।
don't
अधिकारी देखो,
speak this in every place, everywhere. Look at the qualification of the audience.
इतना ही तो आप बोल सकते हो। कृष्ण ये भगवान भगवान अच्छा चलो
Sorry.
पहली श्लोक तक बोल सकते हो रासलीला की कथा
You
क्या
can just read the first shloka of the Raslila, the shlok.
मनश्चक्रे जोगो मायाम वासुतम श्री भद्राणी वाचो अरे इतना ही तो बोलो।
Shri Bhadrani Vacha. At least speak these shloka, first shloka of Raslila.
क्यों कहा गया?
Why Bhadrani? This word is used.
गोस्वामी में नहीं कर करके बादरानी क्यों बोला? व्यासदेव के पुत्र होने के नाते उसके बादरानी का,
Because he's the son of Vyasadeva, he's known as Bhadrani.
क्योंकि और दूसरी कहा है देखो व्यासदेव गोस्वामी इस जो रासलीला को कहाँ पर रचना की? बोले वृंदावन में है,
Where the Raslila took place
कुंज था,
in the banks of the
तो वहाँ पर
Jamuna
बैठ करके
in Vrindavan.
रासलीला को रचना
He wrote this part of the Raslila
अपने प्रगाढ़ साधन के द्वारा
by his intense austerities. He attained these stage of realization.
कहीं लिखा है
Srila Vyasadeva.
लिखा है बादरानी
Somewhere it says Sukadeva Goswami Vacha. Sukadeva Goswami said in some places it says Bhadraini Vacha.
ऐसे बोल ऐसे कथा को
How is this?
सुखदेव गोस्वामी कोई साधारण नहीं है।
Sukadeva Goswami is not an ordinary person. He is the beloved Sukha, parrot of Srimati Radhika.
एक समय श्रीमती
Once Srimati Radhika,
अपने प्रिया सुख के जो है
it took her beloved parrot,
दाना
was feeding the parrot with sweet pomegranate seeds
प्रेम के द्वारा
with her
उसको
love and affection,
चुम्बन करने लगे। प्रिया सुख को चुम्बन ना
and kissing that parrot.
राधा जी एक हाथ में अनार के
In
दाना,
one hand she had pomegranate
छोटा
seeds,
पक्षी के जो है
and on the other hand
उसके
were
अनार
the
के दाना खिलाने।
and feeding that pomegranate to
पक्षी को कहती
that parrot.
चुम्बन किया
Srimati Radhika kissed that parrot.
और वो सुख भी क्या की
And what did that parrot
उनके
do?
स्वभाव को इमिट करना
To imitate
क्या करता है? तो वो सुख पक्षी ने क्या की राधा जी
that Shukadeva Goswami, that parrot also kissed the lips of Srimati Radhika, and at that time, tasting the nectar of Srimati Radhika's lips,
स्वयं राधा जी के अधर पुष्ट की अमृत को पान किया।
what is the state of that person who is able to taste that nectar from Srimati Radhika's lips?
ये सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद परीक्षित महाराज के सभा में
Shukadeva Goswami in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj,
व्यास आदि पराशर आदि
where Vyas and Parasar and great other rishis were present. Munis, rishis, Gyanis were sitting there in that assembly.
होकर के
They all stood up.
छोटा बच्चा सुखदेव को
That young boy,
आसन दिया।
Shukadeva Goswami, he was sat on the Vyasasan.
क्यों इतना आग्रह प्रकाश किया?
How is this possible?
तब तक ध्यान
Because these munis, the rishis, they were able to see the past, present and future. But they knew that he was Srimati Radhika's beloved parrot
है?
who had tasted the nectar from Srimati Radhika's lips.
राधा जी और हम में तो पान कर। इसलिए इनके मुख से हम सब
So we are listening from his lips. We should listen from his lips.
करें।
The commentators have
व्यास
written,
आदि
Vyas and Parasa, his father was there, his grandfather was there.
हैं? उनके दादा भी बैठे हुए।
His grandfather was there in the assembly,
कितने जोगिंद्र मणिंद्र
and so many other rishis, munis.
हैं? श्री कालक ऋषि से बैठे हैं? कोई कम नहीं है। एक
They
एक
were no less, they were great personalities.
यहाँ तक भी देवता लोग भी
Even the demigods
धारण करके
were taking human form and present there.
तो सब लोग के मन में ये बात है।
Everybody was thinking that they would benefit from hearing from the lips of Shukadev Goswami.
हम मुझे पान करें इसके
That person who had tasted the nectar from Srimati Radhika's lips.
आज ये साधारण नहीं,
Not an ordinary thing.
तो इसलिए सब
For this reason, everybody was listening from him, this Harikatha.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं बादरानी वाच।
This is what's called Badrayani Vacha.
सेंट व्यासदेव जी ने जिस पुत्र को प्राप्त किया,
That son that Vyasadev had begot, so fortunate, that
जो पिता माता
parent,
ऐसे संतान
that
को जो है
mother, that father, who is able to give a son like Shukadev Goswami.
जन्म देना कोई बड़ी बात है।
It's not a great thing to give birth to a child. Like dogs and cats, they give birth, but to give and bring forth such a personality as Shukadev Goswami.
कितने पुत्र के जन्म दिए?
Gandhari, how many
एक भी
children? They had 100, not even one stayed alive.
और देखो कुंती
Kunti had
मद्री
Madri, 5, and they were all present and alive.
पुत्र संतान के जन्म देना कोई बड़ी बात है,
It's not a great thing to give birth to a child, but to
संस्कार देना
give them impressions. This is the most important thing.
माता पिता के कर्तव्य क्या,
The duty of the mother and father is to give these impressions, good impressions,
उसकी भक्ति में ले आना।
to bring them in the path of bhakti. This is the important thing.
सुखदेव जैसी
Like Shukadev.
कितना सुंदर बात है।
How wonderful.
ये कहते हैं भगवान तो उसमें करें,
Yes, Richard.
सही बात करें।
Shukadev Goswami in this shloka is saying,
वित्त ऋतु मनश्चक्र योग माया मुपाश्रिता। स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण रासलीला करने के लिए उनके मन में
in the mind of Krishna, he wanted to perform Ras Leela.
भगवानों की तारीफ इसमें दिखा रहे हैं।
In this shloka, it is explained
करने की जो मन में ये इच्छा है,
this desire that arose in the mind of Krishna. There are 4 considerations.
एक है देश,
The place
रासलीला कहाँ करेंगे कृष्ण,
where Ras Leela took place in Vrindavan,
होनी चाहिए टाइम,
time,
ऋतु
place, time,
ऋतु समझो
season. The season,
कौन सा सीजन है?
what season
कृष्ण करे वृंदावन में
of Ras Leela? Autumn,
शरद
Sharad. In the shloka is spring season,
भगवान
autumn, sorry.
शरद उत्फुल्ल मल्लिका, मल्लिका पुष्प आदि ये सब के
All the flowers were blossoming, Malika flowers.
यहाँ तक भी शरद इस ऋतु के जितने भी पुष्प जो है वो जोग माया के द्वारा अपने
By the
आप
arrangement of Yogmaya, the flowers of the other seasons also started to blossom.
छह ऋतु है ना, छह ऋतु
All the 6 seasons,
पुष्प जो है
the flowers of all the 6 seasons were blossoming at the same time.
कैसे सुंदर सुगंध आ रही
How, and the aroma at that time of the atmosphere.
है। इसलिए भगवान क्यों सारे क्रिया कौन करते जा रहे हैं?
Who is doing all of this? Yogamaya is doing.
भगवान वो भी है, यहाँ पर अभी शब्द की अनेक अर्थ बताए।
Api means, has many meanings.
यहाँ पर
भगवान
शब्द
अपी।
क्या बताया? भगवान
Bhagavan, this word used.
रास कौन करते जा रहे हैं?
Who is performing this ras?
भगवान करते हैं।
भगवान।
पूर्ण जीव का।
Those who has the 6 opulences in full, incomplete.
सर्वचैतन्यपूर्ण भगवान। स्वयं भगवान ही करते जा रहे हैं।
The Supreme Personality of God is performing this pastime. Not which Bhagavan, which God, which, not Lord Ramcharan, not Nishinga, Shri Brajendranandan Shamsundar himself. Dear Lalit Nayak, Krishna himself is performing this.
थोड़ा जितने एनालाइज करते जा।
I will try and analyze this fact. Dear Lalit Nayak,
कितने गुण होता है? 4 गुण।
these 4 qualities of Dear Lalit Nayak.
वर्णन सन सुंदर। वो रासलीला करने के लिए।
He's going to perform this Ras Leela.
ये रासलीला में विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
And
है।
this presence of the hero and heroine,
तो एक हो
this
गया देश
First place, time, circumstances, then the participants of the rastas,
अनेकों नायक
and many heroines are there. One hero and many heroines.
96 प्रकार के नायक था
And 96 types of
नायिका के बारे में बताया
types of heroines.
और उसमें जो है कृष्ण जो रासलीला करते जा रहे हैं वो नायक की भाव में
Which Nayak, which hero? Dhir, Lalit, Nayak, Krishna. These four prominent qualifications are there.
नवतारण और
He's Navataran, ever fresh and youthful.
परिहासपटु
Parihaspatu is expert in laughing and joking.
निश्चिंतता
Nischintata is free from all kinds of anxieties,
टेंशन
tension.
और प्रेयसी
Priyasi Vasibu,
completely controlled
completely controlled,
is consort
completely controlled by his consort.
ये तो दिल ललित नायक है
This is the Lalit Nayak,
तो ये हो गया देश
place, circumstances, the personalities, and the season.
तो ये सब विचार हैं ले भगवान वो पीता
This shloka
और उद्दीपन विभाग भी दिखाया गया
and the stimulation.
उद्दीपन विभाग स्टिमुलेशन होना है
And what stimulation is coming
कितना सुंदर स्थान पर है।
in this very beautiful circumstances,
रात्रि भी है
the very dead of night.
चंद्रमा उदित
In that night, the full moon is
और इस
present,
चंद्रमा की किरणों के
and
द्वारा
the rays of that full
सारी
moon,
दिशाएं कैसे हो गया
which is illuminated in all directions,
कुमकुम जैसे था
like
क्योंकि
the
प्रथम
spray of crimson powder in the air,
ऐसे चारों तरफ की दिशा को जैसे
which is
उसको देखकर कृष्ण के
spread in the sky. This became a stimulus.
गोपीनांग गोपियों की मुखमंडल की उद्दीपना होता है
Even seeing the beautiful faces of the gopis,
राधा चंद्र
known as Rakha Chandra,
पूर्ण तक प्रकाशित केवल चंद्रमा के पूर्ण प्रकाशित
the illumination of the full moon
राधा चंद्र कहा जाता है
is known as Rakha Chandra.
और पूर्व दिशा कैसे हो गया
And in the eastern direction,
चंद्र की किरणों के द्वारा
by the illumination of the rays of the moon,
उद्दीपना
Krishna became
ये दिशा जो कहा जाता है
stimulated.
पत्नी माते हाँ इंद्र के पत्नी माना है
Indra's wife.
और चंद्र उसके कैसे मुंह पर कुमकुम लगा है इसलिए
This description of the ras, the stimulation of the ras dance,
बहुत विचार दिखाया है बहुत सुंदर वो भी रंजीतम है और वह सुंदर जो वृंदावन की
the beautiful
वृक्षराजी कैसे
setting of Vrindavan,
किरण के द्वारा कैसे
how everything was illuminated by the rays of the moon.
ये सब तो विचार है
This has been explained.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं
Very beautiful pastimes, beautifully explained.
वरदान दिया था वस्त्रहरण लीला के
And at the time of taking the clothes of the gopis, Krishna promised
गोपियों की वस्त्रहरण
at that time.
इसमें हमें क्या शिक्षा है
There's a teaching in this pastime. What is that teaching?
वस्त्र को करके जो है नदी में स्नान करना नहीं
We should not bathe in the river naked.
वस्त्र परिधान करके जो है नहीं तो पाश्चात्य देशों के भांति
Like in the Western countries,
वो
this becomes an offense
है भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति के
to take the culture of India, Bharat, and follow in those footsteps. We should not bathe naked, which, like Swami Maharaj used to say, we should become gentlemen.
वस्त्र के द्वारा शरीर को
We should,
shower and stuff.
yeah.
use this word. You are gentlemen and
Ladies and gentlemen.
ladies and gents.
You become ladies and gentlemen.
Gents and ladies means is what?
This
You
means
have to cover your body with the cloth.
you have to cover your body with the cloth.
घर में आप रहो, चार दीवार के अंदर आप
In the four walls,
अल्प वस्त्र में रहें, कोई भी बात
you may stay with less clothing, but when you go outside, you should be dressed properly.
आपको वस्त्र धारण करना पड़ेगा। नहीं तो रास्ते में देख कितने
You
जो
can see
गाय
on
भैंस,
the
कुत्ते, तो
road so many dogs and cows without cloth.
हाँ मनुष्य इसलिए है
And we are human beings, that's why we have to stay within our restrictions with this etiquette
आप घर में रहते
of being clothed properly. But in the
चार
home,
दीवार के अंदर जब रहो कैसी रहो
you can stay as is comfortable for you. But when you go outside into the community, into the
इससे समाज संस्कृति का
society, then you should follow some rules and regulations,
है।
have some
आप
etiquette.
अपने घर में क्या बोलते हैं वो बाथरूम में जाते हैं, स्नान करो।
When you go to the bathroom,
करो, बाथरूम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन देखने जाए?
if you go to the bathroom, who's going to see whether you're clothed or unclothed? You bathe
कैसी करो?
as you feel comfortable.
किंतु जब आप
But when you go out in a public place and bathe in a
नदी
public,
में स्नान करो,
if you in the river,
बाहर स्नान करो, वो
then you should be dressed accordingly, properly.
यही तो भगवान का दिया।
The Lord is saying like this to the gopis when he took their cloth.
वस्त्र हरण लीला आदि जो दिखाया गया, यही हमें उचित शिक्षा दी दे रही।
This is the teaching in this pastime,
ये कहीं
that
है,
when we're
समाज की
outside, we should abide by the rules and regulations of society.
बात ऐसे ही।
We should not cross over this etiquette.
हमारे कपड़ा है, हमारे बॉडी है,
They will say,
रहे कैसे
people argue, this is my body, my cloth.
माना करे।
But
किंतु जब आप
when that is true in your own home, but when you're outside in society, then you have to follow the rules and regulations.
आप अपने गाड़ी है, गाड़ी खरीदा,
If you've bought a car, you driving your car.
चलाओगे
Yeah. When you drive on the road, you have to follow the rules.
रूल्स फॉलो करो, स्पीड फॉलो करो,
You have to follow the speed limits, not more than 40, not more than 60 miles, not more than 100 miles.
लिखा था कि नहीं? पता हमारी गाड़ी है,
You can't say, this is my car, I can drive it as I like.
आप बोलने वाले कौन है?
Who are you to tell me how to drive?
तुम स्वयं भी मरोगे और दूसरे की भी
You will die and you'll kill others as well with this attitude.
है। आप अपने एरिया में गाड़ी चला मुझे मरो मरने दो।
If you're in your own area, in your own private land, you can drive as you like.
ये नहीं कह सकते हैं, आजकल तो यही चलते रहता है।
Nowadays, this is going on.
हम छोटा कपड़ा पहने, बड़ा कपड़ा पहने।
People are arguing that it's my body, that it's my cloth, I can dress as I like.
ठीक है, हमारी सभ्यता संस्कृति को
But we have to dress according to the rules and regulations of society.
दूसरे भी मार डालो।
If you drive as you desire, but you will kill yourself and kill others.
है? गाड़ी तुम्हारे है, तुम पैसा करके गाड़ी खरीदे कि नहीं खरीदते?
You've bought the car with your own money.
और चला रहे कौन? आप ही खुद चला रहे।
You are driving it.
आप रोड
But
पर चलाओगे,
when you're driving it on the road, public road, you have to follow the rules.
है? मैं पुलिस पकड़े कि नहीं पकड़े?
The police will catch you.
तुम कौन बोलने वाले हो?
You can't argue with the police. It's my car.
हम चलाने वाले हैं।
I'm the driver. No, this argument would not hold.
हमारी इसी वजह भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति में
And so in this way, we have to follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures. And these
स्थान क्या
nature and characteristics of
इसलिए
the
भगवद में स्वयं भगवान यीशु उसको
follow the rules and regulations of society.
स्नान करे मानो तो उसमें थोड़ी कोई बोले
You can bathe as you like in your own house,
स्नान कहाँ कर रही लोग
but the gopis are bathing in the river, public. They cannot bathe naked.
आप भी ऐसा है कि नहीं नदी है तो यहाँ पर जो आप स्नान कर रहे हो आप मर्यादा ही स्नान करो
If you bathe there, you have to bathe with the rules and regulations.
हैं?
Because of the Varuna Devata in the water.
और also Varun Devata is there.
Varun Devata is also in the water.
हैं? संत अधिष्ठात्री देवता
He is the presiding deity of the water. You have to show respect.
तो अंत में
So many teachings in this pastime.
भी है वस्त्र भी दिया
Then the Lord gave back the cloth
प्रणाम करके बोलो
and made them promise with folded hands
है
that they would not do this again.
तो बहुत सुंदर दिखता है उस समय भगवान ने भी कहा दिया आप ये देखो
And at that time the Lord said,
आप लोग इससे मैं संतुष्ट हूँ
I am pleased with you.
और आप लोग के हृदय में सारे काम क्रोध आदि दूर हो
And I have removed all this lust and anger in your hearts, and your deep attachment towards me.
मर्यावसिता धिया भगवान कहते हैं
The Lord
मेरे
said,
प्रति जो अनुराग रखने वाले हैं
and those who have love and affection
काम क्रोध आदि
towards me,
नष्ट हो जाते हैं
in their hearts there will be no lust, anger, envy, greed, jealous.
भजिता कथिता धाना बीज नाशते जैसे
Just like
गेहूं व
in the
को यदि उबाल दिया जाए उबाल
if you boil grains
यदि पुनः
and then you try and plant those grains in the soil, they will not sprout.
तो उसमें भगवान
In the same way,
है मर्यावसिता धिया मेरे प्रति अभिष्ट जो रहता है
those who are absorbed in me,
किसी प्रकार काम क्रोध आदि उत्पन्न नहीं होता
they will not have this lust, anger, greed
ये वाला
manifest in their heart.
मैं आप लोग में वरदान देता
In this way, Krishna blessed the gopis
आगामी सब
and promised them that I will fulfill your desires in the night, full moon night.
6 years old
When this was happened when Krishna was 6,
जब कृष्ण हुए
when Krishna was 7,
ब्रज में उपद्रव किया
then Indra attacked Braj,
भगवान
and to punish Indra,
धारण करना
Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan,
आज नहीं और 7 साल हो गया
and then that was the 7th year.
7 साल चला गया किंतु
And in the 8th year, Krishna,
तब
then Krishna performed
गोपियों की रात
the rest dance with the gopis.
है माधुर जस इसमें इतने सुंदर भावुक प्रकार
This very beautiful Madhurya Ras was manifested.
इतना सुंदर ये उद्दीपन अभी गोपियों
This
के
very
मन
beautiful stimulation
माँ के भांति होने के नाते
of the gopis,
भी आ रहे
beautiful full lotus faces, full moon
कथा इसमें
faces.
है एक रस तत्व तत्व विचार
There's the consideration of Tattva Vichar,
सब लेकर के सब
Ras Vichar, considering all of this and reconciling all of this. Krishna performed his pastimes.
महात्मा से मैं रामायण सब सुन रहा
Once I was listening to the Ramayana from the mouth of one great soul.
की बहुत महिमा वर्णन किया
They described the glories of Lord Ramchandra to a great extent.
इतने उदार है
Ramchandra is so magnanimous.
दान किया
He was so generous. He gave everything away in charity.
सब कुछ दान किया जो जैसे भाव मन में आया स्वयं भगवान रामचंद्र
Lord Ramchandra,
भावों की पूर्ति करने के लिए सब
he fulfilled the desires of all of his devotees.
जैसे मिथिला के जो है
It's like the ladies of Mithila.
मिथिला में प्रवेश
When Lord Ramchandra arrived in Mithila,
जनकपुर में
in Janakpuri.
तो मिथिला की कन्या जो है
All the ladies of Mithila,
तो ये सभी मन
they all were captivated with Lord Ramchandra's beauty and wanted to have him as their husband.
कृष्ण भगवान रामचंद्र मन मन
In his mind, Lord Ramchandra understood their desire.
रहने वाली लड़की को बोले देखो मेरे इस लीला में आप लोग को
That in this pastime, I cannot accept you as my wives,
कृष्ण लीला में आप
but in my Krishna Lila, I will accept you.
मैंने जो जैसे भावना लेकर के रामचंद्र के पास आए जो कोई बात्सल्य बात के लिए आए,
Those who came to Lord Ramchandra in the mood of parentalhood
सबके लिए दान दे भावना पूरा
to fulfill their desire. Ramchandran?
दो
तो
दान
दान-
किसी को नहीं दिया
Yeah,
वो अपने
Lord,
लिए रख लिया।
the two things Lord Ramchandra did not give, he kept to himself.
भगवान रामचंद्र उदार है
He is generous, but
सब दान दे दिया
he
दो
gives,
दान अपने लिए रख लिया
but he kept two things for himself.
है? दो दान ये दान समझते हैं donation.
Donation.
Not give to anyone.
He did not give to anyone two
दो
things.
दान कौन सा है
What are those things?
बताओ हैं? आप लोग नहीं जानते
You don't know.
आप लोग नहीं जानते हैं मैं बताता हूँ सुनो
Now I'll tell you. You don't know. You've never heard this before. You've heard the Ramayana so many times, but you've not heard this.
बोले शत्रु के पीठ नहीं दिखाए बोले
He never showed.
शत्रु के जो है
He never showed his back to these enemy. He never. That donation he did not give.
रामचंद्र सामने कर दिया
Lord Ramchandra, he was always facing his enemy.
और पर नारी को दृष्टि दान नहीं दिया बोले
When another's wife,
के परी उन्होंने
he never looked at another woman.
कुदृष्टि कभी नहीं की
He never looked at any other woman. These two things you remember.
बहुत अच्छा लगा
Very well.
उसमें तो वो बहुत सुंदर चौपाई बोलते हैं मैं भूल गया
He spoke very nice prose and verse. This, but I've forgotten.
जो शत्रु जब आ जाता है
When an enemy comes,
कृष्ण ने ये वो दो दान को सबको दे दिया
Krishna, he did not perform this charity.
पीठ में दिखा दिया भागने लगे इसलिए कहा जाता है क्या
Ranchor, Krishna ran away from his enemy. He showed his back towards his enemy, but Lord Ramchandra never did. When Krishna showed his back to his enemy, he is known as Ranchor.
भाई तुलना देख करके दिखा
And this,
है ना? कभी पैर सुना मैं आपके आगे हैं ये सुना कि नहीं सुना
you've heard this?
है भगवान रामचंद्र के पास कोई आता है भगवान
When
रामचंद्र
anyone goes to Lord Ramchandra, he faces his enemy.
आज पीठ नहीं देखा भगवान
He never showed his back to his enemies.
है वापिस नहीं रोड करके नहीं भागे
He did not run away.
करके भाग के बोले
But Krishna ran away from his enemy.
पीठ देखा कि नहीं देखा इसके नाम
it's-
का आगे क्या
And that's his name was known as Ranchor.
जब इसमें लीला है
It's a pastime
भागने के लिए है
reason.
उसको क्या बोले वो
Muchakunda, the pastime of Muchakunda.
आज देखो भगवान रामचंद्र
Bhagwan Ramchandra, Lord Ramchandra, he never showed his back to his enemy
आज और
and never looked at another woman with in a lusty way.
रामायण तो लोग बोलते हैं आपको प्रश्न आप बोलना किसी को पकड़ लेना बोले भगवान रामचंद्र बहुत उदार है सब दान
If they glorified Lord Ramchandra, he gave his mercy to everyone. But two things did not.
चंद्र देखो
Krishna, he was even more generous. He showed his back towards his enemy.
ये रस विचार में आता
This is in the Ras Vichar.
परनारी के साथ परना
The Krishna,
परदार विमर्शनम
in this, it said in Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna also, when he performed Ras, they were all wives of others.
यदि रस विचार में
If you take consideration of Ras Vichar, Krishna was performing pastime with the wives of others.
किंतु कृष्ण के लिए समर्थ है।
But this is possible for Krishna,
रामचंद्र ने किया।
but not for Lord Ramchandra.
इसलिए जी कहते हैं ना,
So in this way, Krishna was even more generous than Lord Ram. People glorified Lord Ramchandra for his generosity. It's very nice. But Lord Ramchandra was acting according to the rules and regulations of society very strictly. But Krishna broke the rules and regulations of all of society. He was so generous. He never showed his back. Lord Ramchandra never showed his back to his enemy. Lord Ramchandra was in the mood of a Kshatriya and never looked at any other woman apart from Sita. You've seen the pastimes of Ramayana when Lord Ram went to the forest of Dandakaranya. It's very nice pastime when Suparnaka took a form of a beautiful woman, came to Lord Ramchandra and she said to Lord Ram, such a beautiful person as you and such a beautiful person as I want to have loving exchanges with you. At that time, Lord Ramchandra thought to himself in his mind, "Oh Suparnaka," Ramchandra recognized her because he's Bhagavan. You want to having loving exchanges with me. You do not know the meaning of loving exchanges. I speak in English. Love. Love has 4 letters. L-O-V-E. Do you know what love means? He's saying it to himself in his mind. What is the meaning of love? Lake of tears. Lake of tears. Lake of tears. Love is a lake of tears. Oh, ocean of suffering, sorrows. All your life you'll be in sorrow. L-O, you will have to suffer. V, valley of death. Death. Valley of death. L-O-V. You can connect this with the Ramayana. Sorrow. Valley of death. End of life. End of life. This is what happened to Suparnaka. Her life ended. This is the teaching of the pastime of Suparnaka and Lord Ram. Lord Ramchandra accepted Suparnaka in Krishna's pastime in the form of Kubja. Krishna is a wish-fulfilling tree of all his devotees' desires. He taught this to Suparnaka, what love is. When we hear Mahaprabhu's pastimes of loving exchanges and Srimati Radhika's, in English we say tears. then we will have to cry for Krishna. And this separation is shown in Mahaprabhu's pastime.
कृष्ण के विरह, किंतु इसमें क्या होता है, पारमार्थिक जगत में जो विरह जो
In
है,
the realm of spirituality,
बाहर में रोते हैं कि अंतर हृदय,
but they're crying externally, but there's so much happiness inside.
आते जानियो तुम्हें, ऊपर में दुख दिखाई पड़ता है,
Externally seeing unhappiness, sadness, but inside they're experiencing so much happiness, pleasure, bliss. Gurudev used to give one example. One person was reciting the Srimad Ramayana, then the pastime of Sita entering the earth, and everybody was crying in separation. But the speaker was crying and the listeners were crying. The pastime could not come to an end in this condition. Everyone was crying. The pastime finished. The same listeners came the next day to hear. If crying was a state of unhappiness, why would they come into that assembly of unhappiness? Because this is showing the glories of separation. Externally, it seems like they're unhappy. Watch the Ramayana. You will be full of tears. But again, you will want to see it again and again. Because externally, you think it's unhappiness. But your heart will be overjoyed. In the material comparison and the spiritual comparison, they're two different. In the material sense, this suffering is very painful, but in the spiritual realm, this suffering, apparent suffering, is of great happiness. Try. Jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai. Putana wanted to have this loving exchange on a material level. So this definition of love is applied to her pastime. What this love really is: tears, a lake of tears, ocean of suffering, a valley of death, and the end of life. Death. You think twice about falling in love, yeah? Jayanta, have you ever been in love?
When I was 21.
Echo Pramanande, Hari Hari Bol. Jai Shri Gurudev ki Jai. Hari Bol. Jai Pramanande.
जय जय श्री
Radhe.
राधे।